If Lightroom Classic is giving you an error writing metadata, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast in just a few simple steps. This is one of those frustrating issues that can stop your edits from saving properly, but the good news is that it's usually caused by file permissions, drive location, or a catalog setting you can change in minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom fixes and photo editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check the file permissions on the photo itself. Right-click the image file, choose Properties, and look for the Read Only option. If that box is checked, uncheck it and apply the change. A locked file can prevent Lightroom Classic from writing metadata, which is why this step is so important. After that, try saving or syncing again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is move the file to a local drive. Copy the image from an external drive, network location, or cloud-synced folder and place it on your desktop or directly on your internal drive. Lightroom can sometimes struggle to write metadata when the file is stored in a location that restricts access, especially with removable drives or folders that are actively syncing in the background. Once the photo is in a local folder, reopen it in Lightroom Classic and test the metadata right again. Now, let's fix a common setting inside Lightroom itself. Go to Edit, then choose Catalog Settings and open the Metadata tab. Look for the option that says Automatically Write Changes into XMP and turn it off. In some cases, this setting can trigger constant write errors, especially if Lightroom is trying to update metadata too aggressively or if the files are in a protected location. Turning this off can help stop the error and make Lightroom behave more reliably. If you're on Windows and the issue still isn't solved, the next step is to reset the folder permissions. Right-click the folder that contains your images, choose Properties, then go to the Security tab. Make sure your user account has full control. If it doesn't, edit the permissions and give your account full access. This fixes access problems that can block Lightroom from saving metadata properly. After applying the changes, click OK, reopen Lightroom Classic, and try again. In most cases, one of these 4 fixes will solve the problem right away. Start with the file itself, then move the image locally, then adjust the Lightroom metadata setting, and finally check folder permissions if you're on Windows. That order is the fastest way to troubleshoot this error without wasting time. If this video helped you fix the Lightroom Classic error writing metadata, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the video reach more people who are running into the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.